Pause. In place of text, you can paste each of the below commands and save it with .bat file. Create a folder with today's date, year, month, day automatically. Example result 2026-02-15. If your hour shows a leading space, like 9, use this safer version. Create Date plus Time folder. Example 2026-02-15_143208. Great for daily backups, video projects, tech experiments, auto-logging folders. Pro tip: automation. If you save that last block into a .bat file, you can double-click it anytime to instantly generate a new time-stamped folder. Very handy for content creators and tech workflows. If you'd like, I can also help you turn this into a one-click batch file, schedule it automatically, Task Scheduler, make a YouTube-ready title and thumbnail idea, add this to your Tech Tricks channel workflow.